Hi Denise.
Hi Luca.
How are you?
Thank you.
So today I show you one makeup, very easy, one daily makeup, but very glamour, using Deborah makeup of course.
I'm so excited for the makeup.
Good. So I start with the base, the primer.
Okay.
And this is a perfect product to put in the T-zone to mattify this zone, okay?
Okay.
Sure. So I use with finger, it's better. Just a touch, not too much. Do you feel the texture is really comfortable?
Yes. It's so soft.
Yeah, and it's matte. Okay, we start with foundation.
Okay.
The extra matte is a new foundation. Just a touch. We apply with brush is better. Okay, is a foundation matte who resists to the humidity, is a humidity proof, and is perfect for daily makeup if you work a lot in the office or in the university. Okay. If you apply with brush, the base is more transparent and is more professional, I think. I apply just a touch of foundation on the highlight, not too much, but to uniform the color of the skin. Look at me.
I think it is proper for the especially summer.
Yeah, it's perfect for summer, or it's also perfect if you work a lot in the office, in the computer, is mean. So after 3, 4, 5 hours, the makeup is perfect because it doesn't move. It's perfect for the women who go to work. So it's very important product for us. Okay, now Denise, Dress Me Perfect concealer is a concealer for to give you light glow effect in the T-zone. I apply with fingertips is better because the result it will be more natural. It is very important to apply with finger, not with brush.
Why?
Why? Because the product is creamy, so you have to warm the product to fix very well after foundation.
Okay.
Basically, I choose one concealer, one tone lighter than your face. Have more light. Look at it. Okay, perfect. And now we have, I propose you the secret of camouflage. Voila. Look.
Beautiful colors.
Yeah. This is, when you look styled, you have to use the purple, the violet in the T-zone. Mm-hmm. And now I use this one, is a peach color, because your concealer is a little dark. Okay. I suggest you to apply at the end. It's mean after foundation, after the classic concealer, to have a more natural effect.
Sometimes I apply camouflage palettes before the concealer.
Before? Yeah, I prefer after because I prefer to give you light.
Okay.
And now I blend the concealer with a small brush and help me to remove the excess of the product. And now I suggest you the contouring. It's a duo creamy contouring. Look at me, do that. Good. Close the eyes. Close the eyes. and is a perfect base also for eyeshadow. Do that. And now we start with the eyes with one palette natural with a touch of pink, bright pink.
Okay, I like pink.
Me too. This is the palette.
It's so beautiful.
The beautiful 5 colors. We start from the right side with the white color. It's matte. The second color is the deep brown, matte as well. Close the eyes. Let's put near the lashes. So I mix two matte color to have a classic and elegant makeup. Open the eyes. Okay, I change brush. This brush is more round. Just a touch of color, and I mix the brownie with pink. Open. It's a sort of a soft smoky eyes for daily. And we finish with the light color. Close the eyes. And we put near the eyebrow. And now the eyebrow, but I don't use color because I prefer to give you one very modern makeup, so very younger. We have a classic palette, professional palette for eyebrow. You can mix the two color and then you fix with wax. Today I use just the wax.
Actually, in my daily life, I always use just wax for my brows.
In the evening, you can mix the color to have another kind of makeup. And I like your eyebrow because it's modern. It's not too, the shapes is not too straight. I prefer something to, how do you say, androgyny.
Thank you.
Finish. Just 1 second. And now Denise, the most important product for the gaze, the mascara.
Okay.
Look, this is Love My Lash mascara. Is a care mascara. Get me? Okay. Perfect. This is the blush, but I mix the blush with the eyeshadow on the eyes.
Oh, good.
To give you a personalized makeup. And I use our beautiful contour palette. I use the white part in the T-zone and on the cheekbone.
Okay.
Yeah. Close the eyes. This. More. Perfect. It is powder, but the effect is like liquid. It's a glow. And now we finish with lips. One natural, one nude lipstick. You see, it's one double lipstick. It's absolutely lasting. I use this color. It's a matte and long-lasting, and one glossy to fix and to make bright effect.
Okay.
This. More. Okay. It's a nude color, like brown and peach together. Now, the light glossy. Smile. More. Yeah. Okay, put the glossy to fix the brown and to have a wet effect, and you feel very comfortable texture on your lips. Beautiful. Look.
I like the color of it.
Yeah, it's a mirror effect.
Yes, beautiful. Thank you.
This is my proposal to the office makeup. Of course, it's for young, because Deborah is very, very young makeup. It's sophisticated with a touch of glamour. So you can wear every day to go to the university, to the office. It's a daily makeup, but with a touch of fashion style, Italian style.
I like it. I like all of them. Thank you.
You're welcome.